Hello everyone, this is the first video of my FPV journey in which I'll build a drone, an FPV 5-inch drone, and my budget will be 46,000 including everything, every accessory, battery, charger, controller, headset, etc. Everything. And this will be the first review video of this journey. So here I have a Radio Master Pocket, a budget friendly controller for FPV pilots, and this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this controller from High Tech XYZ. You can go check their channel. I put the link in the description. And this controller is very budget friendly. This is priced at 7,000, or you can also get it around 6,500 types. And this is very like small, compact, budget friendly controller. Let's start with its unboxing. So here, after opening the box, we get some stickers, a wire to maybe charge or connect the controller, a nice looking white bag to carry the controller with me, and here we have the Radio Master controller. I can easily grip this controller, and let's start with its feature. It is ELRS, and it has open ELRX operating system, and we have Hall gimbals. We can also remove these joysticks, and we can store these joysticks at the back here, but I won't recommend doing that because these have very sharp and pointy edge. So if we'll put it here and we will apply force to remove these or take these out, we might get hurt. So I'll put it back like this, and yep, we also get some papers like this specification page and one quick start guide. Although the packaging quality is really nice, I like this packaging quality. And we have some springs so that if we have to change the springs in the future, so we'll be able to change it. And yeah, we also have a screen guard to protect this screen from getting scratched or getting fingerprints on it. So I'm really happy to see this controller, because with this controller I can have an easy grip, and it fits easily in my hands. Let's turn this controller on.
Switch warning.
Okay, so it gives a switch warning. Let me reset the position of all the switches. Yeah, now it's on model 05. I think this is the model which it comes with. Okay, so now I'll use this USB to connect this controller with my PC, and now let's move on to the screen so that I can show you the gameplay which I have recorded using this controller.